You might have heard about cryptocurrency on your timeline, the news, or even advertisements at gas stations. However crypto entered your consciousness, most day-to-day internet users, which is most of us, may have noticed the buzz around crypto has boomed. If you're not an expert in crypto, which again is most of us, you probably have plenty of questions. For those that are curious, today we're going to show you the 10 simple ways to get into cryptocurrency. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive our new video notifications. Homework generally does suck, yet getting good grades in the crypto game can get you cold hard cash instead of cute stickers. Crypto is a pretty volatile investment, so playing fast and loose with your money should be treated with caution. Invest what you are willing to lose is the general investment mantra. Understanding which coins are worth it outside of their popularity is important, especially since there are thousands of coins to look into. But don't worry, most of them aren't worth much.
Whoa! This is worthless.
It's easy to spot which coins are rising to the top. Start your detective work by looking into the team behind the coin. Are they legit? How active are they on the project? What makes them unique? Does this project have a purpose? Do you like that purpose? Dig into the behind-the-scenes information about a coin, mainly to avoid going all in on meme projects like CryptoKitties or garlic coins. We wish we were making this up. Recognize if the coin you're investing in has some longevity. Short-term gains and day trading may seem like fun, but are way too risky to start with. After your detective work, put down your magnifying glass, sit, and close your eyes. Set an intention for your crypto journey. Are you looking to save a certain amount of money to retire? To save up for a vacation? Capital for your next big idea? Tickets to Coachella? Whatever your goal is, setting up a clear why is key. The more investment clarity you have, the more confident you can trade. Ask yourself a few questions. How much money are you willing to lose? Are you in this for the long haul, or do you want short-term profits? This would dictate whether you're watching the market every once in a while or hour on the hour, minute by minute. Think about whether or not you support the team behind the project. Are you solely concerned about making a profit, or do you want to invest in the company's mission? The highs and lows of the crypto market is a drastic one. Rooting yourself in a goal helps you from being swept away when the waves start chopping. Bend your knees and ride the wave. In the early days of crypto, exchanging coins was like the Wild West, but for nerds. Formal software was hard to come by, and the learning curve of buying and selling wasn't easy. Thankfully, the prominence of cryptocurrency has risen, causing reputable platforms to pop up. Here's a few popular exchanges that make it easier to set your digital wallet up. Each exchange charges a fee to process trades, so be sure to calculate that cost into your investment plan. Let's dig in. Coinbase. It's one of the largest Bitcoin exchanges in the world. Easy to set up and start buying and selling quickly. Bittrex is also a popular exchange. It stands out due to it hosting a lot more alternative coins, also known as altcoins. Here's where you'll find those garlic coins and pizza coins. All right, well now I'm just getting hungry. Lastly, Binance. It's another popular exchange known for its friendly user interface, lower fees, and ease of use. After you set up an exchange, you need to do a few security checks. But don't worry, this is also for your security. Most credible exchanges will ask for sensitive information, so be sure you're on the correct site and not to share this information with others. With cryptocurrency thriving in a pretty anonymous space, exchanges want to make sure that you are a real human and not a robot just trying to manipulate the market. No offense to robots, of course. Once you're in the clear, most exchanges will expand your daily buying and selling limits, from $100 limits to $1,000 ones. The exchanges will expand your options once you complete this step. Have all of the relevant information on hand and keep a backup of any security questions asked. Then store in a secured and safe space. Once you're all set up for an account on the exchange, make sure you connect your bank account so you can trade your currency for crypto. After all, you need to buy in the crypto market. With this setup, you'll be allowed to fund your investments and withdraw them for any reason, whether to cash out on some or all of your earnings or to enable recurring investments, depending on the platform you use. You're not in this alone. Every day, the crypto world gains more and more interested people. Communities all across the web have been formed to help you start your journey. From subreddits to online forums to the comment section of popular blogs, there's a variety of ways to connect with other people who are more than excited to help. After all, the more people that invest in crypto, the more profits everyone makes. But be advised, communities can be helpful to know what's going on, but with every piece of information you acquire, be sure to back it up with your own research. Reddit has an abundance of communities to follow. It would also be good to follow leaders in the crypto industry. Nick Szabo is one of the many pioneers of crypto and often thought of as the inventor of Bitcoin. His blog is seldom updated, but his Twitter feed can be a useful place to find out the latest. Andrea O'Sullivan is another thought leader in the industry and author of Bitcoin, a primer for policymakers. Lastly, Andreas Antonopoulos, who has a stellar YouTube channel. Here, you can find clear and concise videos to keep up with the rapid pace of crypto news. As we mentioned before, there are a lot of coins to look into. Some people find luck and profit by supporting a new coin, but the odds are very slim. It's best to start off with common coins that have been showing some consistency. The top movers normally being Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. You can use sites like CoinGecko to see which coins have the highest value. Start small and slowly build. Consistency is key here. Similar to the stock exchange, buying on the dip is a strategy a lot of investors use. Whenever the price drops, you purchase a little more, so if it swings back up, you're likely to make more of a profit gain. Starting with the core position, then branching out is a good way to go. As your comfort grows and hopefully your profits, it might be worth looking into new coins that could be worth pennies now, but a lot more in the future. In the event you do, patience is key while holding onto these currencies. Since some of them are new and still in development, it may take a while before you see any significant gains. It all ties back to your research and your goals. Having stake in more than one coin spreads your risk. Some days one coin will be up and others will be down. Long-term trading usually comes with some increase in value if you're consistent enough. Having all of your eggs in one basket isn't the best approach when it comes to high-risk trading like digital currency. This is where the doing the research portion of these tips comes in handy. Due to the high risk and volatility of digital currency, the price can go up super fast and drop even faster. A first-time investor can jump the gun and sell all of their portions of crypto if they see a decrease in its value. More often than not, the price corrects after a while and can have an upswing. Believing in whatever you're putting money into is key here. And finally, let's say at this point you have a couple of hundreds of dollars and your knowledge of buying and selling has hit a groove. You're going to want to protect your assets. Despite crypto being a digital currency, having a wallet is still essential. While exchanges are perfect for convenience, they are still susceptible to hacking and getting shut down. Best way to back up your goods is with a crypto wallet. This increases the security of your assets as well as the access. Some crypto wallets are cold and hot. This means they are either not attached to an online network, cold, and have a physical device like a USB, or connected to a network, hot, that actively syncs with the coin networks. Choosing which one is best for you is based off of your own needs. If you have a ton of money stored, you might want to go for the more cold storage route. Companies like Trezor offer cold storage devices with software to manage them. On the other end, software companies like Exodus offer hot storage that can also sync with your cold. And there you have it. Did any of this make sense to you? Are you inspired to be the next big crypto trader? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. And be sure to check back next time to find out what else needs to be ranked.